Hello everyone, Dan Hurt with Dan Hurt Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. Here I am on my new dream claim, finding amazing riches. At least hope to find amazing riches. I'm here with Mike. And Pete and maybe Troy are joining us tomorrow. And we are just checking out my new claim. I'll tell you all about it. Hope you enjoy. So I've done one pan already, just from that little hole there between those rocks. And in my first pan, my first piece of gold from my new claim. It's only one piece of that pan, but hey, it's mine, all mine. It's not much, but it's the first piece of gold I've found at this claim. So I'm very happy to find it.
So I have this one out here first.
So Mike, the muscle here, is going to try to get some big rocks out of our hole for us to see if we can get more material down there. Wiggle it, Mike, wiggle it!
Rock?
Whatever you want. Now if you watch my videos, one of the last videos I took was here at this placer claim where I was looking to buy it. And we had squatters. Well, luckily, 6 months later, the ministry stepped in, dealt with the squatters, cleaned up the mess, and I was able to actually purchase this claim. $10,000 to purchase this claim, but the potential here is amazing. And the treasures we could find in this site, wow. You should see the geological reports done right here and what they found and what their findings were. I'll talk about them a little bit in this video, but I have a stack of papers that thick of geological reports and plans and hydro, everything from this claim, and it is amazing what they've found here. But today is our first trip here, and all we're doing is sampling around with a pan, trying to get a feel for what the gold in the river is like, and enjoying this beautiful spring day. So I've done about 4 pans from down in that hole, and I've got about 5 pieces of gold, but nothing substantial, nothing great. We're gonna try somewhere else for now. Mother Nature just decided to come by and say hello, as she threw a very, very, very large rock off the hillside at us. It went down, from about there all the way down, hit one of those big rocks there, and exploded. Kaboom! And it was huge. How big was that rock, Mikey? Oh, smart car size. Yeah, yeah! It was big. The fragments that came off it weren't that small.
Well, the piece that broke off came off right there.
Okay, okay.
That's all I saw.
It was pretty big. Came right down that little trench there, all the way down, and exploded on one of those rocks.
Brother's up there waiting to come down too.
Yeah. Yeah, look at him. Just balanced. Fun, fun, fun. So here we go with the next nicest flake. Look how coarse that is. Oh my goodness. And another one up there. There's a beautiful coarse piece of gold. Seems to be another one in the black sands there. One up there. I seem to be on it. Woohoo! coming down. Let's see. Not very big. Did you hear the big rock fall, Mike? Just up here in the water. Big spruce. Big quartz rocks everywhere. Moving on, moving on, moving on. It's been a while since I turned on the camera because, well, you can figure out why. But I just found my first piece of gold. My first good piece of gold from the new claim. Woohoo! Here's a nice one. I better pull up the other camera to show off that one. Mikey heard me hooting and hollering. He's coming. He's coming for my gold. And another big rock just landed in the water right there just now. Sploosh! Did you just see that big splash? No. Right there.
Yeah. Closer, eh?
They're coming closer. They're coming to get me. Ah!
Oh, that's a nice one.
It's a nice one. Hey! I need another camera. There it is with the close-up camera. Nice piece of gold. Let's pick her up. It's a picker. It's a picker. And apparently Mike found a good... Is that what you've got today?
No.
Good God, Mike!
I just dumped it out. I'm like, oh shit, I get something new from before.
And now, identify the one that you want to show me.
I think it was that one.
I recognize the gold in here. That's a nice piece. The rest of this is from Boston Bar.
Could be.
Yeah, you can tell by all the black pieces.
Oh, the black? Oh, yeah, good
yeah.
call. Yeah, that's from all the black ones. That's right. Oh, damn, I thought this was clean.
Well, it makes it look like you got lots today.
Oh, I know, right? Jeez. Oh, well.
Well, it looks like we're pooped for the day and a little sore. Why are you sore, Mike?
spending more time on my ass than my feet today.
And we haven't found all that much gold, although for a first initial check of a claim where we have no clue where to look, we found something.
Yep.
And well, there'll be lots more times in the future where we can look for a bit more. We're back here tomorrow, so I'm not signing off the video yet. See you tomorrow.